you honey. You made that beehive stuff?
Oh man, no, buddy, I'm not made of beehive stuff. Mama calls me honey because she likes me a whole lot. It's like a sweet name, but I promise, no bees inside me.
Oh.
You're
Vanilla or chocolate?
This is too much pressure.
Take your time, buddy.
This is... Mommy,
Yes?
Mommy,
What is it?
we have a problem.
What problem?
There's no food
No food where?
inside my stomach. Daddy,
Yes, baby.
why are you afraid of Mommy?
What? I'm not afraid of anyone.
I want to marry Daddy.
But he's my husband.
No, Daddy's mine.
Jealous little girl.